Thank you for choosing Hard Chrome Solution for your Horsburgh and Scott gearbox repairs and overhauls. We are known for our reliable rebuilding process and have been servicing units in the northeastern and western sectors for over 60 years. Our major services include rigging and trucking from 4 locations across the U.S. and Canada. Upon arrival at our 60,000 square foot facility, we inspect each unit for damage to bearings, gears, shafts, housings, bushings, and gear tooth contact. We use only the highest quality bearings from brands like Timken, SKF, FAG, and INA, which we keep in stock and ready to install for emergency rush repairs. We offer free inspections, free freight, and free quotations, with turnaround times of within 24 hours of arrival. And our services are not limited to rigging installations, laser alignment, fluid pumping systems, filters, lines, lube oils, and freight. We offer a whole custom gearbox experience so that you don't have to worry about third parties who might drop the ball. Our 36-month guarantee from the day of installation will give you peace of mind to ensure that you're not alone. Let our service teams help you with every aspect of your needs. Hard Chrome Solutions will keep you moving. Trust us like most OEMs have, as we understand that your valuable gearboxes are critical to keep your industry operational. Our facility is open 365 days a year, with 2 shifts and services managers and engineers on standby 24/7 to assist you with major equipment repairs. To ensure your gearbox's reliability, we provide a 24 to 36-month warranty with major gear replacement from the day of installation. We use CMM and FARO technology to verify every component's integrity before leaving our state-of-the-art facility. At Hard Chrome Solution, we strive to increase performance, production capacity, and robust engagement for tooth contact and pattern issues. Contact us anytime via email or phone to learn more about our services.